The Earth is a restless giant. From the ground beneath your feet to the air you breathe, the forces of nature are constantly shifting, building, and occasionally tearing everything down. In the next 7 minutes, we aren't just looking at the headlines, we're breaking down the science of survival. We're covering every major natural disaster on the planet, what causes them, the scars they leave behind, and the history-defining moments like the 2010 Haiti earthquake or the 1931 China floods. Whether it's a wall of water moving at 500 miles per hour or a windstorm that levels an entire neighborhood in seconds, you're about to see exactly how our world works when it stops being polite. Let's dive in. In just 7 minutes, every natural disaster will be explained, covering the causes, effects, and notable examples of each type. First, let's dive into earthquakes. These geological phenomena occur when tectonic plates shift, releasing energy that creates seismic waves. The Richter scale measures their intensity, helping to assess the potential damage. Notable earthquakes include the 2010 Haiti earthquake, which devastated the nation, resulting in over 230,000 deaths and leaving millions homeless. Another significant event was the 2004 Indian Ocean earthquake, which triggered a catastrophic tsunami, claiming more than 230,000 lives across multiple countries, highlighting the far-reaching impacts of seismic activity. Next up, tsunamis. These massive ocean waves are typically triggered by underwater earthquakes, volcanic eruptions, or landslides. Tsunamis can travel at speeds exceeding 500 miles per hour and can inundate coastal areas within minutes. The 2004 Indian Ocean tsunami is one of the deadliest in history, with waves reaching heights of over 100 feet, devastating coastal communities in Indonesia, Thailand, and Sri Lanka. The sheer power and speed of tsunamis make them one of the most destructive natural disasters. Hurricanes, also known as typhoons or cyclones, form over warm ocean waters and can cause severe wind damage, flooding, and storm surges. These storms are categorized based on their wind speeds, with Category 5 hurricanes being the most intense. The 2005 Hurricane Katrina is infamous for its destruction in New Orleans, where levees failed, leading to catastrophic flooding. Over 1,800 fatalities were reported, and the storm caused an estimated $125 billion in damages, making it one of the costliest natural disasters in U.S. history. Tornadoes are violent windstorms characterized by a rotating column of air. They form in severe thunderstorms and can produce winds exceeding 300 miles per hour, capable of leveling buildings and uprooting trees. The 2011 Joplin tornado in Missouri was particularly devastating, resulting in 158 deaths and widespread destruction, including the obliteration of entire neighborhoods. Tornadoes are often short-lived but can cause immense damage in their brief lifespan. Floods can occur due to heavy rainfall, snowmelt, or dam failure, submerging vast areas and leading to loss of life and property. The 1931 China floods are among the deadliest in history, with estimates of up to 4 million fatalities due to drowning, disease, and famine. Flooding can also lead to long-term economic impacts, displacing communities and disrupting livelihoods. Wildfires, often fueled by dry conditions, high winds, and human activity, can spread rapidly, devastating ecosystems and communities. The 2019 to 2020 Australian bushfires burned millions of acres, destroying homes and wildlife habitats. Nearly 3 billion animals were killed or displaced, showcasing the profound environmental impact of such disasters. Wildfires can also contribute to air pollution and climate change, creating a cycle of destruction. Volcanic eruptions happen when magma from beneath the Earth's crust escapes to the surface. They can release ash, lava, and gases, causing destruction to nearby areas. The eruption of Mount Vesuvius in AD 79 buried the Roman city of Pompeii under ash, preserving it for centuries and providing valuable archaeological insights. More recent eruptions, such as the 1980 eruption of Mount St. Helens in Washington, reshaped landscapes and affected air travel across the country. Landslides occur when rock, earth, or debris moves down a slope, often triggered by heavy rain, earthquakes, or human activity. The 2014 Ozo landslide in Washington state resulted in 43 fatalities and significant property damage, illustrating the dangers of unstable terrain. Landslides can also block rivers, creating temporary lakes that may eventually burst, leading to further flooding downstream. Droughts are prolonged periods of abnormally low rainfall, leading to water shortages and agricultural devastation. They can result in crop failures and famine, affecting millions of people. The Dust Bowl of the 1930s in the United States caused severe ecological and agricultural damage, displacing thousands of families and leading to significant changes in farming practices. Blizzards are severe snowstorms characterized by strong winds and low visibility. They can disrupt transportation, lead to dangerous conditions, and cause power outages. The blizzard of 1978 in the U.S. Midwest resulted in over 70 deaths and paralyzed cities for days, showcasing the impact of winter storms on daily life and infrastructure. Heat waves are prolonged periods of excessively hot weather, often accompanied by high humidity. They can lead to heat-related illnesses and fatalities, particularly among vulnerable populations. The European heatwave of 2003 caused over 70,000 excess deaths across the continent, emphasizing the health risks associated with extreme temperatures. Lastly, extreme weather events like derechos, which are widespread, long-lived windstorms, can cause significant damage. The 2020 Midwest derecho caused widespread destruction across several states, with winds exceeding 100 miles per hour, uprooting trees and damaging homes. In summary, natural disasters come in many forms, each with unique causes and effects. Understanding these events is crucial for preparedness and response. Awareness and education can help mitigate the impacts of these disasters, potentially saving lives and reducing damage. By recognizing the signs and understanding the science behind natural disasters, communities can better prepare for the unexpected. As climate change continues to influence weather patterns, the frequency and intensity of some natural disasters may increase. It's essential to stay informed and proactive in disaster preparedness efforts. In conclusion, every natural disaster has its story shaped by the forces of nature. By learning about these events, individuals and communities can foster resilience and adaptability in the face of adversity. Stay safe, stay informed, and be prepared for whatever nature may bring.